Welcome, friends. Our topic for today is evolution of advertising. In this evolution, this slide is showing evolution of mankind, of human being. But you can see with that technology how techno savvy the person has become when he reaches to the end. The person who is with computer. So we are going to talk about technology. We are going to talk about marketing techniques. Just an imaginary picture is this to understand what exactly is evolution. Evolution यानी starting, initial stage, then later on stage, then later stage, like that. It is called as evolution. See, to understand from the point of view of advertising, just pay attention. There are many pictures on your slide, but like left side of your left side, you can see there was a time when tablet means this. Can you see the paper and on that it is written? That was considered as tablet ancient times, earlier times. Right now, what we know when we hear tablet word, which means this, the picture is shown over there, right? So that is the tablet in real terms now, but earlier was the paper and on that it is something was scribbled or something mentioned was considered as tablet. You can see the other picture. In this picture what they are shown, sorry, in this picture what they have shown, that there was no time when brand did not exist. There was a time when brand didn't really exist. So we are talking about advertising. When the advertising era started, that time there was no brand. ब्रांड करके कोई पहचानता नहीं था, ब्रांड करके कुछ फेमस नहीं था. बट नाउ इन टूडेज डे और इन टूडेज टर्म or era, you can see Apple is a big brand. So such many more brands had there, and many more fans are there of those brands. You can see between these two slides, from left side and from right side, middle one screen is there, one picture is there, that is showing us that see how much has changed in the world of marketing and advertising in the last 20 years alone. Only within 20 years, you can find a drastic change. Okay, this is our important area or part of today's lecture, that is evolution of advertising. Evolution, when advertising started, that was from science. You can see there it is written in one of the block, science, then come town criers, then comes written advertisements, then comes newspaper, then magazines, then radio advertising, TV advertising, internet, and advertising agencies. So these are the evolution, and now we can see advertising agencies and internet is the latest one. But the first one, science, means sign language. Sign language means either the picture or the symbol drawn on the wall, embossed on the wall, embedded on the wall. कोई साइन ऐसे बनाना वॉल पे या स्ट्रक्चर के थ्रू, दैट वाज कॉल्ड एज साइंस. टाउन क्रायर्स मींस व्हाट, द पीपल दोज यूज्ड टू शाउट. पहले ऐसे नहीं क्या आवाज लगाते थे, इवन नाउ सम प्लेसेस पीपल डू दैट. हैव यू हर्ड? वो भंगार वाला आता है, वो क्या करता है, वो आवाज लगाता है ना, भंगार भंगार, या फिर और क्या रहता है, लहसुन वाला एंड ऑल. वी हैव हर्ड, राइट? सो दीज आर द टाउन क्रायर्स, दे आर अनाउंसिंग like like so and so products are available. So what they are doing, they are going from one place to other place, shouting and calling, attracting the customers to buy the products. So these people are called as town criers. Okay. नेक्स्ट इज रिटन एडवर्टाइजमेंट. पहले तो दीवारों पे होता था, या फिर साइन सिंबल दिखा के, या फिर लोग चिल्ला के बताते थे कि यहाँ पे ध्यान दो, यहाँ पे अनाउंसमेंट कुछ हो रहा है, यहाँ पे कुछ नई चीज हो रही है. बट लेटर ऑन written advertisement was the era, that is printing and press was the era. And during that time you can find that newspaper, handbills, पहले हैंडबिल से शुरुआत हुई, फिर न्यूज़पेपर, फिर मैगजीन्स, फिर पोस्टर्स बने. So this is what is the form of written advertisements. Yes, I had explained in written advertisements about newspaper and magazine. उसके बाद एडवर्टाइजिंग का नया तरीका शुरू हुआ, दैट वाज थ्रू रेडियो. रेड एफएम, रेडियो मिर्ची, दीज आर द लेटेस्ट टेक्निक्स एंड वेरी पॉपुलर. बहुत पॉपुलर है लोगों के बीच में ये वाला एडवर्टाइजिंग, एंड पीपल लिसन टू देम. रेडियो एडवर्टाइजिंग जब शुरुआत हुई थी, वो ज्यादातर रूरल एरिया में बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलर हुआ था. And during that time when radio advertising was started, that time people used to listen more of radio. Now also again in between एक ऐसा फेज था, तभी लोग रेडियो को नहीं सुनते थे, वापस रेडियो ने कैचअप किया, मार्केट को कैप्चर किया. सो यू कैन सी नाउ ऑल्सो देर इज अ पॉपुलरिटी फॉर रेडियो एडवर्टाइजिंग. नेक्स्ट केम टीवी एडवर्टाइजिंग. टीवी एडवर्टाइजिंग का बहुत ज्यादा इफेक्ट क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि सिर्फ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था, हम देख सकते थे, तो उसका असर बहुत ज्यादा हुआ. द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग वाज टू हाई ऑन द कंज्यूमर्स एंड देयर डिसीजन टू बाय द पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट्स. और उसकी वजह से बहुत ज्यादा कंज्यूमर्स को अट्रैक्ट करने में आसानी हुई, एंड दे यूज्ड टू बाय द प्रोडक्ट्स. Then came internet, because nowadays is the internet era, and on this in this internet era everyone is busy with the internet. चाहे पढ़े लिखे हो या नहीं, चाहे छोटे बच्चे हो, चाहे चाहे बड़े हो, चाहे बुढ़े हो, anyone any age group people are on internet. So this is the one of the biggest popular medium in today's era. We will see in detail. See, signs. Signs means what? Pictures of any product or shop which is painted on wall, or either picture of shop or picture of a product that is painted on wall, या फिर कोई थिएट्रिकल परफॉर्मेंस यानी नाटक वगैरह कंपनी आने वाली है, तो उनके बारे में डिटेल इंफॉर्मेशन वाज गिवन और पेंटेड ऑन वॉल. So that particular thing was said to be science, and this was used for advertisement. You can see two pictures are seen. One was Amul. Amul has 6 delicious types of Amul chocolate. So you can see over there Cadbury, for types of 6 flavors of Cadbury. You can see that was shown through pictures, through signs, as well as you can see on this wall so many things are painted. That is nothing but advertising. We'll see the next, town criers. To understand town criers, so many pictures are shown on this slide. You can see here attention, when the person is shouting, like want to announce, announcement is done. Here you can see the person with the drum, and here also he is announcing. So this is what town criers. Town criers means spoken publicity. It is not in written form mostly. It is in the form of spoken publicity. People keep announcing and informing or creating awareness among the customers. So announcements with the help of drummers and signboards. It was used in rural areas by small traders. Why small traders? Because they used to go from place to place or house to house for selling the products or providing the services. So that's why you can see town criers were also very popular. You don't have to be literate also for that. The next one is your written advertisements, means in the form of newspaper, in the form of written words on anywhere, or in the form of magazines, or in the form of handbills, or in the form of pamphlets. You can see this first ad was 3000 years old, written on papyrus leaves, preserved in British Museum. ब्रिटिश म्यूजियम में ये जो फर्स्ट एडवर्टाइजमेंट है, ये प्रिजर्व किया है, उसको संभाल के रखा है. I hope you all can see that, and you all can find out through Google also that what is that exactly. Papyrus is what? I have mentioned that papyrus. Papyrus is a material which is similar to paper. Paper के जैसा ही एक material होता है. उस पे पहले ancient time पे उस पे लिखा जाता था. So that is called as papyrus. You can get the procedure on Google also. Next was 1477, important year, where printed advertisement in the form of handbill was started, and that was started by William Caxton. Remember the name? By William Caxton. He was the person who has started in the year 1477 a printed advertisement in the form of handbill. Then next, the first printed English newspaper appeared in the year 1622. That newspaper name was the Weekly News of London. और बाद में हर जगह पे दुनिया में everywhere it got spread. London, Europe, America, Canada, India, etc. All these places it was spreaded. You can see there one notebook is there, spread the word is a kind of advertisement, written form of advertisement. Coca-Cola, the details of that particular product is written with the tagline, from a bottle through a straw, absolutely sanitary, delicious and refreshing. You can see this footwear advertisement. Then newspaper, Statue of Unity. This is the latest one, huh? In the news it is shown. Now you can see this printed form of advertisement. There are few more examples of that, like printing press. You can see there, the one who has invented this, Johannes Gutenberg. He was the person who started the first printing press, and through that he started the advertisement, printed advertisement. You can see the type of advertisement which we can see in the newspaper nowadays also. If you open the newspaper, कोई भी newspaper लोगे आप पढ़ोगे, you will find the printed form of advertisement. और हर एक का फॉर्म अलग होगा. हाँ, maybe the size of the advertisement, the place of the advertisement, and on that price of the advertisement is also dependent. You can see here in the printed form of advertisement, this, as I told you, 1477, and it was the book. He wrote the book Salisbury, Pies of Salisbury. He was the person who has started this. Next, you can see here. Now we will come to the radio advertisement. Radio advertisement, you all have seen many times you all have heard, like radio soaps also. Those stories are run and sponsored by producers. Radio Mirchi, 93, Red FM 93.5, then 92.7, Big FM. Suno Sunao, Life Banao. Yes or no? This is your radio advertisement. First radio broadcast in South Africa in the year 1936. Remember the year, remember the place also. In the year 1936, first radio broadcast was happened in South Africa. You can see 1920s, radio was started in USA. And what is the special feature of that? Music, sound effect, which made it popular, very, very popular amongst, and mostly amongst illiterate people. They used to hear and they used to understand about the topic, about the product, about the services. You can see here in 1938, radio advertising had profit of radio advertising surpassed magazine advertising profit. Magazine से ज़्यादा यानी printed advertisement से भी ज़्यादा, बहुत ज़्यादा profit radio advertisement के वजह से हुआ था. To the companies, to the products, for the services, and awareness was created. Yes, next comes our TV advertisement. Now in this TV advertisement, it became powerful medium of advertising. Why? Due to its audio and video technology. In 1950, it was introduced in USA. And TV advertising also includes outdoor advertising and transit advertising. Transit यानी travel करते वक्त एक जगह से दूसरी जगह. while traveling advertisement किया जाता है ना, through ST bus or NMMT, on that also it is painted, that is also transit advertising. So you can see different mediums of TV advertisement. Few more examples are there. You can see here ABP News, and this is also ABP Mazha. These are the forms of TV advertisements. You can see this advertisement. Those white cartoons are there. This small boy, he was so popular in TV due to the advertisement. You can see the girl, Googly Woogly Woosh Ponds advertisement. You can see the celebrities. Then Asin drinking Mirinda. Asin is advertising for the Mirinda. Serials are also advertised on TV. You can see Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, Ramayan, then Karodpati, Kaun Banega Karodpati. Yes, you can see in this picture the cricket. While cricket sports was going on, this girl comes all of a sudden with the dairy milk, with the Cadbury. You can see Coca-Cola and the famous and old and evergreen advertisement, that is Amul. So these are the different types of TV advertisements. Next form of advertisement or evolution of advertisement is ad agency. Ad agency is the kind of agency which takes the assignments. Assignment यानी काम लेते. They take the project for the particular company or for the particular product, and they make it in a creative way. You can see here अलग अलग creativeness on this slide, like creative ad agency designs, Facebook ad agency for beginners, Yellow Pages book was there, you all know about that. Like in that all the numbers you will find out. So if you want to find out anyone of our country, you can find out in the Yellow Pages. Then you come, then comes your ad agency. See how creative it is shown. Specialized, full service agency. There are types of ad agency that we will see later on. But right now we'll focus on what is ad agency. It is an advertising agency which is a marketing service firm that assists its client in planning, preparing, implementing, and evaluating various activities of advertising campaign. इसका मतलब कोई भी प्रोडक्ट को, न्यू प्रोडक्ट है, इट इज सपोज टू लॉन्च, फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट हाउ टू प्लान द एडवर्टाइजिंग मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी, उसका प्रिपरेशन के लिए क्या क्या ज़रूरी है, उसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कैसा होना चाहिए, टू इवेल्युएट इट कितना इफेक्टिव है, whether it is giving 100% response or not, or we need to change some ideas or change some techniques. This is what we do. Who does this? Advertising agency. These are the names of top 5 agency in India: O&M, JWT, Mudra, FCB Ulka, Rediffusion, and top 5 ad agency in the world: Leo Burnett, Saatchi, 180 Amsterdam, R versus GA of New York, Abbott. So these are the advertising agencies. If you want to know in detail, you can just find out these agencies through Google. You will come to know their creative ads or their creative work, how they are working. Our next form is internet advertising, which is also called as online advertising, or it is also commonly known as World Wide Web, WWW, that is World Wide Web. What is the specification of this particular type of advertising? It has graphics in that, very animated characters, too many animated characters, graphics, audio messages, and you can say that internet advertising or online advertising is borderless. There are no borders for that. So you can see the different forms of online advertising. As you can see here, Yahoo, Google, internet advertisement, how they are doing marketing, they are doing. Visit our website, online courses are there. As we are taking the lecture also online. So online advertisement is the best form in nowadays, in now recent era, and it is borderless. There is no limit for that. You can go and explore anyhow, and you will find daily new techniques, new things. Thank you.